is the second sentence. The second sentence is talking about two different actions, which is why it is better to break it up into two.
今日は英語修理店のエピソードです。英語を勉強している日本人が英語の間違いを正してくれないかと尋ねました。これを実際の会話英語で行ってみます。
Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Social English Podcast. This is your host Percy, and I just want to say welcome back to the podcast. If you are a new listener to the podcast, I just want to tell you thank you for listening to today's episode. You will find more. The Social English Podcast is here to help you get better at speaking conversational social English every single day. Today's episode is for you intermediate to beginning learners of English. And today, we have another English repair shop episode. A Japanese listener asked if I can help with their English. And of course, I said yes. So, let's correct her English together today. This listener is a young Japanese woman. She has a friend she wants to buy a present for. That present is lip gloss. She wants to tell a different American friend of hers who speaks English about a present she wants to buy. So, her goal is to explain how to order lip gloss for her friend using Amazon. Please think of that when you listen to today's episode. Now, with every episode of the English Repair Shop, we have 4 parts. In part 1, I will read exactly what the Japanese person said in the wrong English. In part 2, I will say the correct English in a conversational, social English style. In part 3, I will give you any hints that I think are important so that you don't make these same mistakes. In part 4, I will say the correct English version in a fast, natural speed. This way, you can also practice listening to spoken natural English. So let's get started. Part 1. The wrong English. I want to give a lip gloss to a friend. Put the lip gloss after during the lip color. So that is it. That's it for today. For today's wrong English. Very short, but I want to ask you how you would fix that. But first, let's go over that one more time. I want to give a lip gloss to a friend. Put the lip gloss after during the lip color. Part 2. Social English in a slow speed. I want to order some. Number 1. I want to order some lip gloss for a friend. 2. I chose the color of the lip gloss first. 3. Then I added the lip gloss to my cart. Okay, if you are intermediate to advanced English learners out there listening to this podcast, I want you to please listen carefully. I will say it one more time. Please listen. I want to order some lip gloss for a friend. I chose the color of the lip gloss first. Then I added the lip gloss to my cart. Okay. So that is how I fixed the incorrect Japanese with social English. Now, I want you to remember the corrected English is in a spoken manner, what we would say as in English as a dialogue, or spoken to a person. It is not just a written English. It is spoken English in the response or the correction. Okay, let's begin with part 3. My hints, my advice, my tips using the mistakes the Japanese learner of English made. First, let's use I want to order. The phrase I want to order. If you say I want to give, the phrase I want to give, it means you already have the thing you want to give. The thing you want to give is the lip gloss. And, of course, you don't have the lip gloss yet. The second hint I want to talk about today is the second sentence. The second sentence is talking about two different actions, which is why it is better to break it up into two sentences, which is why in the corrected English version, I changed it into two different sentences so you can hear it more naturally and clearly, the idea of what you're saying. This way, the person listening to you can clearly understand you are ordering lip gloss. The last thing I want to say is, yes, there is more to this conversation. There is more to talk about when you order something. But the original Japanese person, their English, they didn't say much more. So just listen to this corrected version in part 4, which is natural speed. So please listen to me speak in a fast, natural speed so that you can pay attention to and listen to the words, because they made the pronunciation and the way I pronounce the words may sound different. Please listen. I want to order some lip gloss for a friend. I chose the color of the lip gloss first. Then I added the lip gloss to my cart. I want to order some lip gloss for a friend. I chose the color of the lip gloss first. Then I added the lip gloss to my cart.
この章を気に入っていただけたら、5つ星のレビューをぜひお願いします。コメントは英語か日本語でお書きいただければ喜んで読ませていただきます。realsocialenglish.com にアクセスして、ぜひ無料でダウンロードしてください。ほとんどの日本人の英語を勉強している人がやってしまいがちな7つの間違いとその正しい言い方。また、毎日英語を上達させるのに役立つ資料もたくさんあります。Apple Podcast、Google Podcast、Stitcher、そして今はパンドラでもポッドキャストを購読いただきます。支援者になっていただけませんか？私たちがこの賞を作るための支援として5ドルの寄付をお願いできませんか？今後のエピソードで感謝の気持ちをお伝えします。また、そこでしか利用できない新しいコンテンツも入手できます。patreon.com/socialenglish からご参加ください。ソーシャルメディアで私たちのポッドキャストを友達にシェアしたり、Twitter、Facebook、Instagram のフォローをお願いします。
All right, everybody. There you have it, friends. The correct way to speak about trying to buy a present for your friend online. You should be happy because together, today, we corrected the English of a Japanese person studying English, just like you. I hope that you learned something that you can use for yourself today in your English journey. My action item, what I want you to do today, is to try and practice telling a story of how you would order something online in English. I want you to substitute for lip gloss. So change lip gloss for something that you yourself want to buy. Maybe you want to buy new headphones or a new iPhone case. Maybe an e-bike, an electric bike, or maybe the new Apple Studio computer that Apple just announced. That's something I'd like to get. Try to practice with a Japanese friend that speaks English or is studying English just like you. if you are lucky and have the chance, you can also try speaking to a native English speaker. Don't forget to listen to episodes 126 through 131. That's 126 through 131 about beginning conversations and how you, my listener, can make one with a native English speaker. If you liked this episode, don't forget to subscribe and follow us. Also, please leave a 5-star review on Apple Podcasts. I'd really appreciate it. Do you want to win a 5,000 yen Amazon gift card? Well, it's pretty easy to do. This is how you do it. All you need to do is 3 things. Number 1, subscribe to the podcast. 2, follow us on Instagram. And 3, leave a review on Apple Podcasts or wherever you listen to us. I hope it's a 5-star review. That's it. I will announce the winner on Instagram, and they will be automatically randomly chosen. So please do those 3 things. Ask your friends to listen and do those 3 things. And I'll see you in the next episode. Peace and love.
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイト realsocialenglish.com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. Bye bye.